Hello, you are highly welcome to another special topic. Many farmers are asking for comprehensive organic broiler vaccination schedule. In this particular video, if you are among them or you like this topic, I want to guide you on how to make use of organic to vaccinate your poultry and livestock animals and keep them healthy. That is organic, comprehensive organic medication for broilers from day old till maturity. Are you interested in this topic? Give this video a thumb up before watching it at all, because as a poultry farmer, you need to reduce cost of running your poultry and livestock business. The cost of medication alone is over 30% of the total input in poultry farming, while feed takes the remaining 60% and others take the remaining 5%. If you can cut down the cost of medication alone, you are good to go. Complete organic broiler medication schedule that works from day one to market maturity of your broilers. Let's start now. This comprehensive organic broiler medication schedule combines natural plants, juice, and other essential synthetic vaccines like lasota and gumboro to promote rapid growth, strong immunity, and high survival rate of your broiler and other poultry birds from day one to market age. In this particular video, I'm concentrating on broilers alone. Please watch to the end. The organic plant extract provides natural antibiotics, detoxifiers, and immune booster, while the vaccines offer targeted protection against viral infections. This hybrid method ensures healthy, fast-growing, and antibiotic-free broiler farming for maximum profit. Now, let's start with daily organic broiler medication and plant juice schedule. Day one to market. On day one, that's on arrival of your broiler chicks into your farm. First, give them African garden egg leaf juice, which improves immunity and digestion. This also gives them vitality to start eating well. Please, in this particular schedule, I also give you the vaccination schedule for other vaccines that is very necessary. If anyone tells you not to vaccinate your birds with synthetic vaccines, please don't listen to them. You can rear your broiler and other poultry birds without any synthetic antibiotics, coccidiosis, and others. But day one, start with African garden egg leaf juice, which improves immunity and digestion. Day two, use plantain flower juice, either plantain flower or plantain and banana flower juice. How do you make use of it? Cut them into smaller pieces, boil it very well, extract the juice, allow it to get cold, and feed to your poultry birds. This enhances gut health and appetite. Day 3 to day 5, use bitter leaf combined with aloe vera and garlic mixture, 3 in 1 together. This mixture is natural antibiotic and detoxified formula for poultry and livestock animals. For day 6, use fresh clean water on day 6. No, don't add anything in their water at all on day 6. Now, after day 6, day 7, gumboro vaccine. Please give them gumboro vaccine, the normal gumboro vaccine. Day 7. That's the first shot of gumboro vaccine. It's very important for disease prevention. This is infectious brucella disease prevention. Day 8, give them fresh clean water also, recovery and hydration of your poultry and livestock animals. Then day 9 to day 10, give them ginger, turmeric, and clove mixture.
Bluetooth cancelled.
Together, please. It is anti-inflammatory and growth stimulant. That's the time they want to grow. Their growth is the period of growth, and they will start growing faster. Then day 11 to day 12, give them pawpaw leaf and scent leaf combined with neem, or the one they call dogoyaro. They are natural immune and parasite control. It helps in deworming your poultry and livestock animals. Then day 13, give them fresh clean water also. Day 14, lasota. That's the first shot of lasota vaccine. It's very important. Please don't miss any of this vaccine because you are into organic. Don't miss these vaccines. Vaccine is very important. Should anyone tell you not to give them vaccine, please ignore that. It's not from me, please. Vaccine is very important. Then that's the first shot against Newcastle, to prevent them against Newcastle infection. It's a viral infection. If it catches your poultry birds, you are gone. Sorry, it's your name. Please don't allow it at all. Day 15, clean water, cool one. Give it to them on day 15. Then day 16 to day 18, give combination of aloe vera, bitter leaf, scent leaf mixture. This helps to detoxify the system, liver support, and immune booster also. It's going to add and help the vaccine you are giving to them also. Day 19, give them clean water. Day 20, give second shot of the IBD, that's the infectious brucella disease vaccine. That is the gumboro, popular gumboro vaccine. Day 21 is very important. Clean water. Day 22 to 26, give them ginger, bitter leaf, and castus alpha. See castus alpha. They call it opete or bush cane. See it. Or monkey cane. Anyone you call it. Castus alpha. And garlic mixture. It is for disease prevention and energy booster. Day 27, clean water is very important for them. Day 28, lasota vaccine, the second shot of lasota vaccine. It is very important against Newcastle disease. It boosts the vaccine you are giving to them first. It is very important, please make sure you give these vaccines. Don't ignore the vaccine because you are into organic. Organic will boost the immunity and at the same time prevent them from getting any disease, all these bacterial infections. But when it comes to viral infections, these vaccines are very important. Day 29, clean water. Day 30, scent leaf, onion peel juice. It is for respiratory and immune boosting health. So all these infectious diseases that go through their nostril, that block their nostril, like coryza and CROD, this will prevent them from it, please. Then day 31, to market, give mixture of garlic, turmeric, ginger, and bitter leaf. This is the final growth stage. Then continue giving these mixtures. Then other organic extracts I have taught you in this particular video, you can be mixing them from time to time. The one that's very reachable to you, you mix them and give it to your poultry and livestock animals till you sell them to the market. Because the one they are now immune boosted. This vaccine, if you are using our EcoBio booster, wait. And that topic is loading, and that title is coming on EcoBio Booster. How to use EcoBio Booster in rearing your poultry with other vaccination schedule using EcoBio Booster. This is where you don't have EcoBio Booster. If you can get rid of all these extracts I have given you in this particular video, you are good to go. Please, if you like this video, share it to reach more poultry farmers. And if you have any question regarding this topic, always drop comments. If you don't know what to drop, please, thank you. It's very good. It's good enough to encourage me to provide more video for you that will help you to run your poultry and livestock animals profitably. There are a lot of plants, juice you can make use of. I don't want to include all of them because some of them may not be reachable to you. But after day 31, you can combine other ones within your reach to mix and continue giving to them to the market stage. Thank you for watching the video. Till the next video is uploaded, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notification. Join our community membership of this particular channel so that you get unlimited access to our videos and unlimited access to our services. We can at the same time help you answer your questions on social media, guide you on how to run your poultry and livestock animals and others. If you have any business, please always contact us in our WhatsApp line. We can get in touch with you and do one business, both fumigation, how to start poultry farming business, how to start broiler farming, layers farming, hatching business. You want incubator, all these services, we are here for you. Thank you. Bye for now.